Welcome back. Well, the markets are down close to around 50 points or, but my director is going to be pulling up the contribution chart to tell us how much HDFC Bank is dragging the index. And I think majority of this 50-point downtake, if not all of it, will be on account of HDFC Bank. At some point of time, that'll come up for you. Even in yesterday's trading session, HDFC Bank was the big drag on the index. That's the contribution chart. Well, all of it is on account of HDFC Bank. But Abhishek joins us to tell us about the fundamental news on that front. Abhishek, these numbers look a little bit disappointing.
Well, the number of deposit acquisition looks to be on the weaker side, and that's not gone down well with this tweet. CASA, absolute deposits have declined. Even the CASA ratio has declined. However, liquidity coverage ratio has improved, and the focus of the bank is on lowering the CD ratio or credit deposit ratio. Take a look at deposits. They are down 0.03% sequentially. Now, system-wide, if you take a look, YTD FY25 so far, the system deposits are down 1.65% on a sequential basis. CASA has declined by 5% quarter-on-quarter. It's seasonal in nature. Even last year, in Q1FY24, CASA had declined by 2.75%. So this time, it is on the higher side, 5% decline owing to, there were elections as well, and money has moved into, term deposits as well with respect to CASA, for the customers. So CASA ratio has declined by nearly 200 basis points sequentially. Advances growth that has declined by 0.8% quarter-on-quarter. In that, the other wholesale advances, that book has declined by 26,600 crore. As management had highlighted that they are going cautious with that book on account of the low yield profile that it is getting for them. Credit deposit ratio that's declined to 104.5% versus 105.4%. Good part in the update was the liquidity coverage ratio. That's improved to 123% versus 115% in the previous quarter, and around 104-105% in the quarter before Q3. So if you take a look, brokerages largely they remain bullish on the stock. However, they say that deposit accretion was weaker than expected. High rundown in current account, 42,500 crore of outflow was seen in current account. Credit deposit ratio was flat. So only Nomura has a neutral rating and a target price of 1,660 per share. Other brokerages, they remain bullish on the stock. Target price ranging from as low as 1,725 per share to as high as 2,100 per share. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for that. So that's about HDFC Bank down about 4.5% at the low point of today's trading session.